Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my 50-hole waffle maker. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. First, I opened up the box to unbox it, and as you can see here, everything that you need is included inside the box, and it comes well packaged. Styrofoam and protectors along the edges to ensure that your product is well protected throughout shipping. As you can see included, you do get a little baggie that has several items like a whisk, some tongs, some silicone spatulas, and even some scrubbers. You also get the instruction manual along with the sheet that lets you know more about your waffle maker. So next was pulling out the waffle maker. As you can see, I'm giving you a close view at everything. I do like that it does have two different settings, so you could actually power this waffle maker on both the left side and the right side. So if in case you're not making all 50 at once, you could simply turn on either or burner to go ahead and start cooking your pancakes. And if you want to go ahead and cook all pancakes at once, you do want to make sure to switch on both on switches. You want to just go ahead and turn them to the power, and on both sides you do get a timer, and you also get the temperature settings. The temperature settings are in Celsius, but there is a little graph that lets you know the different temperatures in Fahrenheit along with Celsius. So I went ahead and used some protein pancake waffle mix. I went ahead and sprayed my waffle maker with some Nonstick spray. I did add the pancake mix into a little squirt bottle. This just makes it easier to transfer the pancake mix into the waffle maker. So as you can see, I'm slowly filling up each little waffle hole, waiting for it to rise. I only turned on half of the waffle maker just because I was not making a lot. I just wanted to go ahead and test it out, really see what they look like. So once they started rising up, I went ahead and flipped them. As you can see, they got that nice golden pancake look. Very, very nice. I added them to the plate. I actually plated these super cute little happy face. I went ahead and added some fresh strawberries, topped it off with some syrup, and there you have it. These are delicious pancakes. They were done in minutes. So if you've been on the lookout for a mini pancake waffle maker, then I'd highly recommend this one. You check this out. I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.